Good morning, guys. Top of the morning to you. Quick morning brief. I'm going to give you a 3-minute morning brief going forward every morning. And if you do like the morning brief and you would like to get a copy of my daily report I send to our clients, you can get a complimentary copy. Just send us an email, support@tradingmastery.com.au, and I'll share with you what it's like to get my daily update, my full daily update. Now, the Nasdaq up another 1.5%. I said yesterday in my update that the money is going to continue to come for tech. Meta was up 4.28%, Amazon up 3.5%, Netflix was up 7.35%. That was dragging streaming business Disney Plus up 3.75%, or Disney back above $100 a share. So US markets are still bullish. Recession fears are starting to fade. Company earnings are strong. Tesla brought out their latest earnings after the bell on Wednesday. Margins were down a little bit, but revenue was up over 40%. So far, so good. Earnings season is looking good. Now, across to Europe, inflation in Europe, 9.1% in the UK, much higher than where it needs to be. Deutsche Bank sees inflation actually peaking out at about 11.5% in the UK. But there was some good news in the UK because Putin actually said, hey, I won't disrupt gas supplies to Europe. Now, whether or not he actually delivers on that promise, who knows? But that was something to get a little more optimistic about in Europe. The Italians look like they're going to have an election. Inflation across the board in Europe is extremely high. Interest rates are going to continue to go up. And coming back down under, ANZ came out yesterday and said they expect interest rates to go up another 4 times between now and the end of the year. The RBA cash rate at about 3.5% before Christmas. And the RBA governor was yesterday speaking in Melbourne, and he also said that inflation is too high. Interest rates are going to continue to rise. Now, I don't think that's going to be a big problem for Australia with the fact that we have unemployment where it is and most people, plenty of cash in the bank. But the problem we have in Australia is the resources sector is going to see a significant downturn. BHP came out earlier this week after Rio did last week. They're warning about slowdowns. China has started a company, China Mineral Resources. They're going to attack what they consider to be the price gouging. So I think the Australian iron ore industry and the mining sector in Australia is in for a challenging period in the next year or two. We did see some further falls in commodity prices. Dairy prices now down 5%. This comes on the back of agriculture commodities down significantly. We've got commodities across the board lower. That is great news for inflation falling. Money managers have got to get markets high before the end of the year. That's your morning brief. Have a great day, guys. I'll give you a little update this afternoon. I'm going to share with you a little story. Keep an eye out on our social media channels for the greatest trade of all time. Share it with you later today. Have a good one.